discuss about the comparison operators in Python. So we are having many kinds of operators in comparison operators in Python. So first of all, we will perform one that we are having x equals to okay. So we are having x equals to 8, y equals to 3, and what we have to print print x equals y close. Okay,
Why
which
do
which
equal?
means which means that x is equals to y. These are comparison operators mean. Okay,
Okay.
false.
True, false again.
Because because 8 is not equals to 3, but if we write here 8,
8 equals 8.
yeah, true. Okay,
Is this subtraction or
no, this is basically comparison. So now now we will discuss about another operator, which is wait, yeah, which is exclamation mark. So it is also equals sign. False. Why?
because exclamation mark doesn't
Because
equal?
because 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 not equal. Exclamation mark means not equal. Okay.
Okay.
If we write here 6, true. Okay.
Okay.
So now we have discussed there is also greater than and less than. So we have discussed about greater than and less than. Okay.
Uh,
So these are all comparison operators. Okay. Now we
okay.
will discuss about. Let me see.